Have you ever wondered how you can make money online using Chat GPT? Today we're going to explore this fascinating subject. Chat GPT, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is an artificial intelligence technology that's been making waves in the digital world. Its potential is vast and varied, with capabilities that extend far beyond mere text generation. In the realm of online business, Chat GPT is not just a tool but a game changer. Its ability to understand, learn and respond in human-like language has opened up new avenues for entrepreneurs. Imagine having an assistant that never sleeps, one that can handle a multitude of tasks with precision and consistency. That's the power of Chat GPT. But the real beauty of Chat GPT lies in how it can be leveraged to generate income. From content creation to customer service, the applications are as diverse as they are profitable. Now, let's delve into the top 5 ways you can start making money online using Chat GPT. Starting off at number 5, we have content creation and blogging. In the digital age, content is king, and with Chat GPT, you become the ruler of your own digital kingdom. This ingenious tool can be used to create unique, engaging content for your blog or website. Imagine this: you're sitting at your desk, sipping your morning coffee, and instead of racking your brain for ideas, you engage in a conversation with Chat GPT. It's like bouncing ideas off a colleague. But this colleague is available 24/7 and never runs out of creative juices. In a matter of minutes, you have a blog post ready to be shared with the world. But how does this generate revenue, you ask? Well, there are several ways. Firstly, by consistently publishing high-quality content, you attract more visitors to your site. These increased page views can then be monetized through advertising revenue. Secondly, you can write sponsored posts. Companies are always on the lookout for influencers and bloggers to review their products or services, and they're willing to pay for it. And lastly, there's affiliate marketing. By recommending products or services within your content and using an affiliate link, you can earn a commission from any sales made through that link. So, if you have a knack for writing and want to monetize it, Chat GPT can be your best ally. Coming in at number 4, we have customer service and support. Now, let's imagine a world where your customers are instantly connected to a support system that is available around the clock without requiring a single cup of coffee to stay awake. This is no longer a fantasy, it's a reality made possible by Chat GPT. Chat GPT can be programmed to handle a multitude of customer service tasks. From answering frequently asked questions to troubleshooting issues, this AI-powered tool can take the load off your human staff, allowing them to focus on more complex tasks that require a human touch. The beauty of utilizing Chat GPT for customer service and support lies in its efficiency. Imagine the time saved and the improvement in response times. With this bot at your service, your customers will never have to wait for business hours to get their issues resolved. And let's not forget the cost-saving aspect. With Chat GPT, there's no need for a large customer service team working around the clock. This translates into significant savings which can be redirected to other areas of your business, potentially leading to more profit. But it's not just about the money, it's about the customer experience. A prompt, accurate response can make the difference between a one-time customer and a loyal one. And with Chat GPT, you can offer just that consistently. Customer service automation isn't just the future, it's the present, and you can be a part of it with Chat GPT. At number 3, we have social media management. Now, you might be wondering, how can Chat GPT help with social media management? Well, it's quite simple and ingenious, actually. Chat GPT can be an incredible tool for managing social media accounts. It can be programmed to create engaging posts that resonate with your audience. Imagine you're not just scheduling posts, but actually creating content that sparks conversation, fosters community, and builds your brand. But it doesn't stop there. Chat GPT can also be used to respond to comments on your posts. We all know how time-consuming it can be to keep up with the flood of comments that popular posts can attract. With Chat GPT, you can ensure that every comment gets a response, making your followers feel heard and appreciated. Social media is a critical component of modern business. It's where brands are built and reputations are made, but it's also a place where a single misstep can have far-reaching consequences. With Chat GPT, you can navigate the social media landscape with confidence, knowing that you're delivering consistent, engaging content that reflects your brand's values and mission. And the best part? You can turn this into a great source of income if you have a knack for social media marketing. You can offer your Chat GPT enhanced services to businesses and influencers, helping them to maximize their social media impact. With Chat GPT, you can make your mark in the social media world and earn while doing it. At number 2, we have e-commerce and sales. Imagine a world where your online store runs smoothly without constant supervision. A world where product descriptions write themselves and customer inquiries are answered promptly and accurately. This isn't a mere fantasy, it's the reality with Chat GPT. Chat GPT can be used to automate many aspects of your e-commerce business, starting with product descriptions. Instead of spending hours writing and optimizing descriptions, Chat GPT can generate compelling and SEO-friendly descriptions in a fraction of the time. It learns from your style and tone, ensuring that your brand voice remains consistent across your entire product line. But the benefits of Chat GPT don't stop there. It can also handle customer inquiries, providing instant, accurate responses to common questions, freeing up your customer service team to focus on more complex issues. This rapid response time can lead to a significant boost in customer satisfaction, which in turn can increase sales. When it comes to sales, Chat GPT can even help with upselling and cross-selling, suggesting related products or services that a customer might be interested in based on their browsing or purchase history. The beauty of it all, this automation not only improves efficiency but also increases sales, leading to higher profits. E-commerce is booming, and with Chat GPT you can ride the wave to financial success. Finally, at number 1, we have online tutoring and coaching. The beauty of the digital world is that it isn't confined by geographical boundaries. You can reach out to anyone, anywhere, anytime. And with Chat GPT, this becomes even more powerful. Imagine being able to offer personalized tutoring or coaching services to a global audience. Chat GPT can help streamline this process. It can handle routine queries, provide automated responses, and even guide learners through complex concepts, allowing you to focus on providing high-quality, personalized guidance. Whether your expertise lies in mathematics, language learning, fitness training, or even life coaching, there's a world of possibilities for you. Moreover, it's a win-win situation. You get to share your knowledge, help others grow, and earn a decent income. And your learners get the benefit of personalized, accessible, and affordable tutoring. With Chat GPT, you can share your knowledge with the world and earn money in the process. There you have it, the top 5 ways to make money online using Chat GPT. We've navigated through the realms of content creation and blogging, customer service and support, social media management, e-commerce and sales, and online tutoring and coaching. Each of these areas offers a unique playground for innovation, all powered by the capabilities of Chat GPT. Imagine this. The future of online business isn't in the distant horizon. It's already knocking at our doors. And it's not just about earning money, it's also about shaping the way we interact, share knowledge, and conduct business in the digital world. ChatGPT is not just a tool, it's a game changer. It's the key to unlocking a new wave of opportunities in the online business world. It's the catalyst that can transform your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. The future of online business is here, and it's powered by ChatGPT. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring these opportunities today.